Hi all the students of Narayana 10th standard. Today here I am in front of you all to discuss your assignment number 15, which is from the topic current electricity. The topic which we are going to discuss today, in that first question is, they have given you a copper wire of resistance R is cut into 10 parts, like 10 equal parts. Two pieces each are joined in series, and then 5 such combinations are joined in parallel. So the new combination will have a resistance of, whenever they ask you this kind of a situation, like if they are asking you in this way, you could take it like the total resistance over here is given as a copper wire of resistance R is cut into 10 pieces, like total resistance R total is equals to R, and you have parallel resistance, like each piece is having a resistance of R by 10. R by 10, we can take it as R by 10, like each piece is going to have of resistance R by 10. Okay, now when you want to like talk about each piece, like every resistance of each piece, I'll write it over here. Resistance of each piece. Now here R effect is going to be, we can take it as 1 by F, because the total resistance when you want parallelly, 1 by R effect is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. Okay, now what happens over here is, now you can take this thing as like 5, 1 by R effect is, we have 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, right? Now what happens is, over here if you take this whole thing, you will be getting 1 by R effect. R effect is equals to 25 by, we can take R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R5 is R, because the total resistance is R over here. So now what happens, 1 by R effect, therefore R effect is going to be is equals to R by 25, right? Now which option it is, sorry, R effect is R by 25. So now which option it is, R by 25 is 4th option, right? Hope this question is helpful for you. Let us get into the next problem. Right, a uniform wire of resistance 18 ohms, like R is equals to 18 ohms, is bent in the form of a circle. The effect of resistance across the point P and Q, like they want the resistance across the point P and Q. Now the angle which is given is pi by 3, right? The angle is pi by 3. So now how do we solve this kind of a problem? We solve it by, like if you want to find out the R effect for this resistance effect, if you want to find resistance effect, you get it as R theta into 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi minus theta by you have 4 pi square, right? When here if you consider theta is pi by 3, where they have given it as like pi by 3, now you substitute the theta value over here, so you are going to get somewhat around R into pi by 3 into 2 pi minus pi by 3 by 4 pi square, right? This is R effect. Now what happens over here, if you want to find it out, like you will be getting somewhat around, the total is going to be 18, R is 18, right? So substitute that 18 pi by 3 into 2 pi means you'll get LCM is 3 and you'll be getting 6 pi, right? Okay, you'll be getting somewhat around 5 pi. 6 pi minus pi, okay, 6 pi minus pi, you're going to get 5 pi by 3. So here you're going to get 5 pi by 3 and by 4 pi square. 4 pi square, right? Now, what happens over here, if you get like this, you'll be getting, if you solve this, you'll be getting it equal to 0.5 ohms. So which option it is? It is option number 3, right? Hope this is helpful for you. Let us get into the next problem. Right, the third question over here is given like 4 wires of same length, same diameter and material is also same are connected to each other in the form of a square. They are connected in the form of a square. If the resistance of each wire is R, the equivalent resistance across the opposite corners is. Equivalent resistance across the opposite corner means you can take this corner and this corner and this corner and this corner. Opposite corners, equivalent resistance. Now when this kind of a situation comes, like you have to go with 2 corners, so you can have this like this. The 2 corners resistance, let us take RS1, RS2. We'll be having R1 plus R2, which is equals to R plus R, which is equals to 2R, and here also you have R3 plus R4, which is equals to R plus R, which is equals to 2R again. Now what happens if you want to find out like R effect, 1 by R effect is equals to, which is parallel now, that is going to be equal to 1 by RS1 plus 1 by RS2. Right, so it is going to be equal to 1 by 2R, because this is 2R, plus 1 by 2R. Right, now what happens over here, this is equals to 2 by 2R. 2 gets cancelled, you will be getting 1 by R effect is equals to 1 by R. So which option it is? 1 by R in the sense you will be having, if you want R effect over here, you will be getting, that will get reciprocal and you will be getting R as an answer. Right, now I hope this is helpful, and which is option number 3. Okay, let us meet in the next assignment. Until then, bye.